My research really focuses in three specific areas, all really under the umbrella of safety. One area, one of my grad students works with training new and young workers and working around machines, and really how can we make that training easy for them. So what we're doing in that respect is that we're adding quick reference or quick response QR codes and linking that to relevant and vetted material. Another one of my students is researching grain safety and really how to find an entrapped or engulfed victim inside of a grain bin after an incident. And we're using some innovative technologies and trying to help first responders to really identify that victim quicker and hopefully be a rescue instead of a recovery. My third area is concerned with biosecurity. So we do a lot with agri-security and rural emergency preparedness. And so what we're looking at there are really training and teaching methodology of how to help small producers be conscious of protecting our food supply, looking at small flocks and herds and relating that through the extension system to the end user.
My research is on agricultural particulates, to study the physical attributes and how they play a major role in their macroscopic behavior. If you take any ag industry, close to about 500 million metric tons of particulate materials are being processed into some kind of granular form that is used either domestically or being exported worldwide. Why it's important means these materials are of biological origin. So if a small change in weather, for example if the humidity changes or if the temperature changes, their behavior completely changes. Our basic understanding that we are trying to develop is their physical characteristics on a small microscopic scale and how this microscopic scale changes or affects their bulk behavior. So our group has developed kind of a new type of fertilizer, like modifying the urea, and we have also trained more than probably close to 1,200 industry people on dust explosion prevention. So we had our own impacts on the industry. We work very closely with industry, so it's kind of the solutions are directly reaching and benefiting the industry.